My academic background here at UCL is I'm currently doing an MSc in International Public Policy. Prior to becoming a full-time officer, I was involved in the UCL Union football team, the Firsts. I was also involved in Jago, charity organisation. In my spare time, I love to play football. Football is a big part of my life. I used to play in the Tottenham Youth Academy when I was younger. I'll be mainly in charge of all clubs and societies, which vary from sports to arts, to cultural and faith societies. I have more than one objective. I feel as though it's very important to have numerous amounts of objectives throughout the year. If I could change one thing at UCL, it would definitely be to get many more students involved in a union. What do I like most about UCL? Well, there's a lot of things. Aside from it being one of the best universities in the world, I feel as though there's such a diverse background here. We're in the heart of London, where we know there's different cultures, different types of people, and UCL represents that a lot. Once you come into UCL, you'll see the different amounts of people that you meet from various different countries, and it's almost like a true representation of a university and how it should be, of a global university.